Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you step-by-step guide on how to use Zelle with Apple Federal Credit Unit to send and receive money. First of all, we need to set up Zelle with Apple Federal Credit Unit. So basically there are 4 steps. First of all, we need to check the eligibility, and of course secondly we need to download the app. If we are using iOS, we need to use the App Store to download the app, or if we are using Android, we need to go to the Google Store. And then third step is log into your account and using the Apple Federal Credit Unit app using your credentials. And if we are using the Zelle app, we need to sign in with our email address or mobile number linked with the credit union account. The final step is enroll in Zelle. So here inside Apple Federal Credit Union app, we will see, while transaction or payment section, we will see Zelle option there. So we need to agree with the terms and condition, and also we need to provide our email address, phone number, which are linked with the Zelle, and confirm your identity. Now there are some easy steps for sending money with Zelle. First of all, open the Apple Federal Credit Unit app or Zelle app, and then navigate to the Zelle features, and then select options to send money and enter recipient details and everything like email address, mobile number, and of course that person have to enroll in Zelle. And then enter the amount, and you can also give note to the recipient, and you can review the confirmation and send click. So there you have it, and you can now use Apple Federal Credit Unit to transfer your money from Zelle. And if this video is really helpful to you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.